Follow the steps on how to position text in the center of other objects in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a rectangle. Next, insert the text. Prepare align panels. Selection. Open Options, Align to Glyph Bounds and select Point Text. Click the rectangle again until it turns blue and click Center Horizontal and Vertical Align. Let's try to measure using Align. And this is the result. The text is right in the middle. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.